There are 5 types of toxic friends that can really affect your life so well. Please be aware of them as they might hamper your life. Number one, the constant critic. These are the type of people who, no matter what you do in your life, you might achieve the highest grade or just even win a lottery or even be the president of your country, but they would still all the time find your mistakes. These are the type of people who would constantly put you down no matter what you do because all they want to see is you being down every time. Due to their nosy habit, they will always criticize you even if you are a diamond. So stay aware. Number two, these are the type of people who would always control you. Guess what? The manipulator. They will know tricks and things how to persuade you in their own way so that they can get what they want and they will always try to dominate you. Please be aware. Number three, the attention seeker. Are you forgetting? These are the type of people who will never remember you for their whole lives and will only come to you when they need something from you. Seriously. Like, where were you all the time, just literally ghosting me and never even knowing me? And seriously, now you need me for the most essential thing of your life? Like, just go away. Get lost, okay? Don't waste my time. Be aware. Number four, the gossip queen. I guess in every group there is at least one gossip queen you would find that they would randomly spread rumors about the people they don't even know or barely know. Okay? And these are the type of people, even if they like know someone, they don't even know the whole situation. Just knowing something which is like 10% true, they would add more spices to that and then they would make a whole flavor and would love to spread rumors about them, man. Like, seriously. Round of applause, man. Seriously. Or congratulations, I'm giving you a award. So, be aware. And here comes the fifth number. Guess what? Let me hear. Yes, you're absolutely right. The jealous friend. The friend who can never see you happy. The friend who will always be jealous inside and will always be envious of whatever you do. You might not even get anything. You might be literally the most average person out of everyone, and they would still be jealous of everything you do. You might consider yourself as not that much talented, but they would still be jealous of you. Just maybe seeing you post a selfie, and they would get jealous out of nowhere. Oh my god. Please be aware of these people, okay? This is why I tell you guys, it is so much better to go alone than to be in a group where you're not prioritized, you're not cheered up when you need support, when you are totally not getting anyone when you need help. What's the point of staying in a group where you are just a garbage or even a pile of rocks? They're not even prioritizing you, they're not even treating you like a human. And if you still want to be just faking your smile and just be blended in those kind of people who are just here to be people pleaser, your choice, babe. I told you my suggestion. Everything is your choice. You gotta choose between prioritization or want to be treated as just an average person. Choose your friends wisely, okay? See, loneliness is the type of thing which has insecurity, and being alone means you have power on yourself. You are choosing to be alone because you don't need those kind of people who would literally just use and throw you. Do you want to be treated like a garbage? Just in another option, not a prioritization? No. Yes, guys, please choose diamond over rocks. You know yourself. Save your life and save yourself. Love yourself, guys. I love you.